Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most invisible, underestimated, and devastating threats in cybersecurity: social engineering. All it takes is trust, a convincing message, and a few seconds of your time. Social engineering is the art of manipulating human psychology to bypass even the strongest security systems. It comes disguised as an urgent email, a friendly phone call, a text message from your bank, or even a casual chat in a coffee shop. It doesn't need technical brilliance, just emotional manipulation and perfect timing. It doesn't matter how encrypted, firewalled, or protected your system is. If a hacker convinces you to hand over access, the battle is already lost. There's even a logo. You click, but it wasn't Netflix. It was a fake page designed to steal your data. We need it for payroll. He mentions your boss's name. It sounds legit. You send it. That information ends up in the wrong hands. Hackers gather info about you from social media, company websites, forums, your birthday, job title, coworkers' names, habits. And they craft a message tailored exactly to you. The most dangerous attacks are the ones that feel personal. And it all started with a single message you didn't even realize until it was too late. An attacker waits outside a secure building and follows someone in without a badge. They smile, say they forgot their ID, and someone holds the door. Now they're inside, and no one questions it. The email was flawless. It had the tone, the signature, the urgency. So they sent the money. Only later did they realize their CEO was a cybercriminal. Did you know that one of the most dangerous cyber attacks doesn't involve a single virus, exploit, or line of malicious code? Build a culture where people are encouraged to question, not punished for being cautious. It's happened over and over again. Does the URL look strange? Long misspelled? Unfamiliar? Don't click. Just go to the official website manually. Whether it's your bank, your IT department, or your mom texting for money, confirm it through a safe channel. Hackers prey on silence. They hope you don't ask questions. Don't give them that power. If something feels off, it probably is. But before we dive in, if you want to truly understand how to protect yourself in the digital world, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give this video a like. No one is too smart, too tech savvy, or too careful. Hackers rely on that overconfidence, but awareness is your first line of defense. It's for students, parents, workers, business owners, everyone who uses the internet. Because at the end of the day, the biggest vulnerability isn't the software, it's the human heart. If you get a strange message, confirm through another channel. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Watch out for emotional triggers, urgency, fear, excitement. Never share personal info over email, text, or phone unless you initiated the contact. Every time you learn and share, you make the digital world a little safer. At work, follow protocols. Don't bypass rules to help someone. Enable two-factor authentication. It can save you even if your password is stolen. Educate others. Talk to friends, family, coworkers. Make cyber awareness contagious. Hackers leave infected flash drives in parking lots or elevators. Curious employees pick them up and plug them into work computers. Just like that, the network is infected. All because someone thought, I wonder what's on this drive? Let's outsmart the hackers, together. Social engineering isn't about hacking technology. It's about hacking people. Imagine receiving a call from someone claiming to be your IT department. They sound professional. They say your account has been compromised. They urgently need your login details to resolve the issue. You panic. You want to help. So you give them the password. Boom, they're in. No malware, no brute force, just trust. And this doesn't just happen to individuals. Corporations, hospitals, governments, All have been breached because of one weak link, a human being. Social engineering comes in many forms. Phishing, fake emails, pretending to be trusted sources. Vishing, voice phishing through phone calls. Smishing, text message scams. Pretexting, creating a fake identity and story to gain access. Baiting, luring someone with an irresistible offer. Each one targets your emotions: fear, curiosity, urgency, or generosity. Let's go deeper. You get an email from Netflix. Your subscription is about to be canceled. Update your payment info now. It looks real. Now imagine working in a company. You get a message on LinkedIn. Hey Sarah, I'm Mark from HR. Could you send over the updated employee list? That's the power of reconnaissance. Would you believe me if I said entire companies have transferred thousands of dollars based on a fake email from the CEO? A well-known case involved a fake executive email telling the finance department to urgently wire $120,000 for an emergency acquisition. Another classic example, USB baiting, or consider tailgating. Security isn't just digital, it's psychological and physical. So how do we defend against it? First, accept this truth. Anyone can be tricked. Here's what you can do. Always verify. In companies, simulate phishing attacks to test employees. Offer quick training sessions. Let's repeat a key rule. If in doubt, check it out. Here's a real-world tip. Before clicking on any link, hover over it. Another trick. Watch out for grammatical errors, generic greetings like "Dear User," or odd timing, like emails sent at 3 a.m. And if someone calls you asking for personal info, hang up and call the official number yourself. Social engineering only works when we let it. At Cibertips, we believe cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. It's not just for IT professionals or hackers in hoodies. Let's build a firewall, not just on our devices, but in our decisions. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, don't just click, think.